Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your past orders on the Seamless app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and see your past orders on the Seamless app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Seamless app. Next, on the bottom right hand corner, click on Orders, and then this is where you're going to see all your past orders on the Seamless app. So when you make an order, it should appear here, and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and see your past orders on the Seamless app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.